What trendy spots are on Kent Avenue in Williamsburg, NYC? Imagine walking along a lively waterfront street where every turn offers something new to taste, see, or experience. Kent Avenue in Williamsburg, Brooklyn is just that kind of place. It's a hub for people who love good food, cool scenery, and a vibrant neighborhood vibe. One of the standout spots is Kokomo Restaurant and Lounge. It serves Caribbean-inspired dishes like Jamaican jerk chicken and spicy cocoa pasta. The place has a bamboo bar and Caribbean-themed art that makes you feel like you're on vacation. It's perfect for a fun night out with friends or a special date. The atmosphere is lively but welcoming, and the food is both flavorful and beautifully presented. Near the north end of Domino Park, you'll find Field Guide. This restaurant focuses on modern American cuisine with a seasonal twist. Chef Tim Myers creates dishes inspired by nature and local farms. The menu changes with the seasons, so there's always something fresh and interesting to try. It's a quieter spot if you want a relaxed, high-quality meal with good wine options. Speaking of Domino Park, it's a favorite public space along Kent Avenue. The park has green lawns, waterfront views of the East River, and areas for outdoor markets and events. It's a great place to walk, relax, or take photos of the Manhattan skyline. Many visitors combine a stroll through the park with visits to nearby cafes and bars. While not directly on Kent Avenue, Williamsburg's bar scene is just a short walk away. Places like the Four Horsemen are popular for their curated wine lists and small plates. These bars add to the neighborhood's lively nightlife, making it easy to enjoy a full evening of dining and drinks. Overall, Kent Avenue offers a mix of trendy dining spots, scenic outdoor spaces, and lively nightlife. Whether you're craving Caribbean flavors, modern American dishes, or just want to enjoy the waterfront, this area has something for everyone. It's a lively, creative part of Williamsburg that keeps evolving and drawing in new visitors.